So you've got a great idea for a business. Congratulations! The first step is always the hardest, but don't worry. With a little help, you can turn that idea into a reality. And this video will give you some basics of how to get started on making your business idea a reality. First, validate your business idea. There are a few ways to validate your business idea. 1. Talk to potential customers. This is probably the most important way to validate your business idea. See if people are actually interested in what you're offering. Do they see a need for it in their life? 2. Do some research. See if there is any data to support your claims about the need for your product or service. 3. Create a prototype. This is especially important if you're selling a physical product. Can you create a working prototype? This will help you gauge interest and get feedback from potential customers. Turn your business idea into a reality. Are you full of ideas for starting your own business, but don't know where to begin? It can be a daunting task to take your business idea from concept to actuality, but it's not impossible. With careful planning and execution, you can make your business dream a reality. Here are the basics of how to get started. 1. Research your idea. Make sure there's a market for what you want to sell or provide. Find out who your potential customers are and what needs they have that your business can fill. 2. Create a business plan. This will be your roadmap for success, outlining your goals, strengths, and expected financials. 3. Get the funds you need. Unless you're independently wealthy, you'll need to find ways to finance your new venture. This may include savings, loans, or investors. 4. Choose a legal structure. Will you be a sole proprietor, LLC, corporation, or something else? Each has a different tax implications and legal requirements, so it's important to choose the right one for your business. Develop a business plan. The first step to making your business idea a reality is developing a business plan. This document will outline your business goals, strategies, and how you plan on achieving them. It's important to have a clear and concise business plan, as it will be used to guide your decision-making and keep you on track. There are many different elements that should be included in a business plan, but some of the most important are: 1. Your business idea or concept. 2. Your target market. 3. Your market strategy. 4. Your financial projections. If you're not sure where to start, there are plenty of resources available to help you develop a strong business plan. Once you have your business plan in place, you'll be one step closer to making your dream a reality. You can watch this recommended video to learn how to write a business plan step by step.